In this episode, I want to introduce the R400X DSSI storage expander and show you what's inside it and what you can do with that expander. Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode, and in this episode I want to show you something new in my collection, and this is the thing you can see here. It looks a bit like that machine here, my VAX 4300, but there's only a difference. You can see there's not only one of these black bars, there's a second one, and this is not a VAX, this is an R400X. So this is not a computer, this is a storage expansion. And let's open it. You can see here is space for up to 7 DSSI devices. So you can expand the number of DSSI devices with that thing. When you have a DSSI VAX, like a micro VAX 3400 or bigger, or some kind of VAX 4200, 105, 300 or bigger. So yeah, this is a thing. I've looked a long time for that thing, and I found it on Kleinanzeigen, which is like Gumtree in the rest of the world. And I've picked it up today, and I want to show you this new thing. I will show you the thing in detail later, so I will also remove all the stuff, because I don't know, here are hard drives in that, expander are installed, but I do not really know which hard drives are behind these covers. I will also clean that thing. I've saw the last one of these expanders 21 years ago, so yes, this is the first time I saw this kind of expander since that time, and yeah, this is now my expander. Yeah, let's talk a bit about the expander. You can see here this quite common power supply. Viewer of my channels know that I like these H7874 power supply, and this power supply is working. So I will swap this power supply with the VAX, and will do some tests, but this is something for the second channel. I will do not do this in this video, but I will do some tests with that working power supply, and therefore now I have also a working power supply now again. And also this video will be, I think, when I will install this in my cluster, and with the other machines this will be a second video. In this video I will only show you the hardware in detail. And here are 4 slots on top, like on the VAX 4300, you can install up to 4 DSSI devices. And under there is a slot for 3 more devices. Here is the WAN tray, and here is the connection area. You can use SCSI devices in that shelf as well, and you can also mix SCSI and DSSI. So this is supported. The connector of the backplane supports DSSI and SCSI at the same time. And here under the space for the 3 devices are the connectors for DSSI. And you can see here, these are the DSSI connectors. That's the terminator. Let's remove the terminator. Here are the DSSI connections, so you can place the expander between 2 machines, or just connect 1 machine and use a terminator. And here there is this thing again. This is a sticker that called it. These changes have to be made by DEC technician, but yeah, it doesn't matter. You can put this thing on that position. This is just a circuit board which connects the top part with the lower part. So when you swap these 2 parts, the lower part and the upper part are separated, and you can connect the lower and the upper part to different DSSI buses. And this is a thing maybe I will do later, and connect the upper 4 devices to another DSSI bus and the lower 3 devices. Therefore, I will swap that, but we will see these circuit boards later in that video. Then you can connect up to 4 DSSI cables to that thing, and this is the connection for the SCSI cables. Yeah, now I will remove all the parts and show you what's inside that machine. Let's remove some parts. First, I will remove the power supply. And I know that this machine will turn on because I've tested it, so you won't see it in that video, but I've tested it. 4 hard drives are working. This hard drive is faulty, but I do not really need the hard drive in the machine. But yeah, still excited to see which hard drives are in that machine. So first remove the power supply. Let's have a look at the capacitors, but they look really good. The capacitors I can see. Yeah, but this is something for a different video. And then I will remove the fan tray, because I have to clean the whole machine. It's a bit dirty. So it's necessary. Cleaning is necessary as well. This is a vent tray with 2 vents. This is a different supplier than in my other VAX. These vents are made by Papst. It's really interesting. I've looked at the date. This machine is built in 1992, so this machine is 2 years newer than my VAX 4300. And interesting to see that they've used other vents as well. And then SCSI card. So this is just connectors. You can see there are only some terminators on it, and that's everything. So this is just for termination, and this connects to the backplane, and the backplane is really passive. So there is no active electronics on the backplane. It's just to connect devices via the backplane to the different buses in that system. And then this is it's really passive. There's nothing on it. This is the connector for the DSSI connections to the backplane. Also, just aboard there is a resistor. but that's everything. And this thing should be the same. Yeah, this is the same thing. No difference. And this thing which connects the upper and the lower part is just a bridge. You can see it here. It bridges to the 2 parts, the 2 buses together. So nothing really special. So now comes the interesting part, which hard drives are. And that is, unfortunately, this thing here is broken, but I think that happens during the transportation. I had to brake sometimes quite hard. Yeah, this is something I've expected. You can see the pop parts here are different to the connectors on the VAX 4000. I can show you the other one where I have. I think I've put it. I have to remove it from the VAX 4300. But they are different, and also the machine sounds a bit different to my VAX. Therefore, I think that there are other hard drives installed. So you can see normally this is my front from the VAX 4300 is different. There's a run ready and a write protect button, and also space for only one of these DSSI ID plugs. And let's have a look what kind of hard drive is. This is this is interesting. This is an RF35/RZ35. That means, and I'll just remove the cable. That means that this is, it's interesting. Something I have to look up. This is SCSI and a DSSI hard drive at the same time, I think. I will look up it, because this is something I've never seen before. It's only 3.5 inches, so it's smaller, and this also explains why this is not so noisy like my other system. And can also connect a second hard drive. So, but I will look up what is so special about this hard drive. But maybe you can see it here. There's written RF35, RZ35. So I will have a look what kind of hard drive this is. But first I will remove the other covers to see if all hard drives are the same or not. But I think so, because it was not very loud. Yeah. this is also that kind of hard drive. Let's have a look at this as well, and I think this as well. Look. Yeah, and this also. And this as well. I think this hard drive is broken. And these two slots are empty, and there is just a cover for it, but need more of that covers. So I asked a friend of mine if it's possible to 3D print them, and we will try out if it's, to 3D reprint more of these covers, so that I can cover the empty slots with an empty cover protection. Yeah, let's remove this here as well, because we need to remove it for the cleaning, and then I will look up the technical specification of the R35 and RF35. Yes, I did some research. It's a very interesting hard drive. The hard drive was sold in two different variations, or with two different boards. You can, you could buy them as a DSSI drive, then it's called RF35, or as a SCSI hard drive, then it's called RZ35. So that's quite easy because that is the letter for SCSI and F the letter for DSSI in the naming convention of Digital Equipment Corporation. But they were equipped with different boards. So you have, the hard drive does not support both protocols. This would be quite surprising. But the top part is the same, and you have to only change the board under it to change the model. Yeah, now I have, I think, at least 4 working of these hard drives. At the moment, I do not know what I will do with the hard drives. But that's the reason why I will split the expander later, because the top part will be equipped with the older RF devices I have with all the VMS stuff on it, and the lower part I will use for some tests, and I think I will put some of these hard drives in the lower part. But first I have to remove everything from the expander, because I have to clean the whole expander. Yeah. And then I will do some tests with the power supply, and after that I will integrate that thing into the cluster. But this is something for a different video. In that short video I just wanted to introduce the expander and show you the expander, so this video is a bit shorter than my last videos. And in a thing soon you will see a second part where I will integrate all that stuff into my network. But I hope you found also that short video interesting, and you can leave comments down below, and see you in the next episode.